Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. And today's video, I'm showing you guys how I do the Goddess knotless box braids. These are waist length, small knotless box braids, red. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing me slay these box braids, okay, then go ahead and continue watching. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this video, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So my client is natural. She has been natural for a couple years, and yeah, this is the hair that I'm using. I'm using the queen bee hair in the color red, and I see it's red, but it's like an ombre red. So the ends are more so like a loud fire red, while the roots are more so like blended in with like a 1B color. So it's more so like an ombre. But like I said, it is, yes, I guess it's like an ombre. Okay, so it's like an ombre color. She loves to try different colors. It's the same stylist that tried the locks that were platinum and blue locks. Okay, so she loves to try colors. So I'm loving to have a client that likes to try color, baby. Okay, either her to me, like either her or me, we gonna try color. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so guys, so this, I'm just gonna speed up the parting part. So that's kind of simple and self-explanatory. Yeah, so like I use about 8 packs of, matter of fact, I did not even use 8 packs. I think I used about 5 packs of the braiding hair, but this style did take me a long time, only because it's my friend and we kept stopping. We went to go get something to eat, etc. So I started on her hair about 1 p.m. and got finished like 12 a.m. Okay, but like I said, we stopped and we went to the hair store, and yeah, we did the most. So I think the style probably would have took me still though about 8 hours to finish. Okay, so I used about 5 packs of the braiding hair, and I used 4 packs of the freetress water wave hair. Now, I could not find any other brand or any other curl pattern that match that color, okay, match that red color, that ombre color. Okay, so we had to make it do with the water wave. This hair is mostly will be used for passion twist hair or for the locks. However, like I said, I didn't want this type of curl pattern. I wanted something loose. So in my head, y'all, I thought that I was just gonna dip the ends and make the ends like loosen. I feel like that's what I've seen in so many videos, but y'all, oh my gosh, when I dipped the ends, when I was finished after 12 hours, y'all, when I dipped the ends to make the ends loose, the ends got straight, y'all, straight. So basically the style was basically ruined. Okay, so the video that you seen in the beginning, that what I end up doing was I end up improvising. So whenever I see it go straight, this is synthetic hair, and you can curl synthetic hair with hot water and rods. Okay, so what I end up using was I end up using some perm rods, right? Use the perm rods, use about 8 of them, and then, just roll the ends up and then dip those in hot water. Seen it, I didn't like the curl pattern, it was too loose, so then I end up using some small flexi rods, and it helped get the curls like a loose type of curl or whatever. So that basically worked well, but the bad thing about it is the ends at that point, the ends just got dry, the ends just got matted, and the style did not last because of the ends. Okay, because of me dipping the ends in hot water. So again, I suggest you guys get the curl pattern that you want, or just keep the curl pattern that you have. Do not dip the ends in hot water. Like I said, it's synthetic hair. Hot water does alter the curl pattern. So I just thought, but I think with the weight of the braids, I think it just made everything super heavy, and I think like it just made the ends of the hair like freaking straight, y'all. Like it sucked. It sucked so freaking bad. Okay. But yeah, so here I am basically getting braiding. Let's go back to what matters. Okay, so I am basically left-handed, so I like to hold the hair on my right side, and I like to add hair in the left side. So I'll use a braiding rack usually when it comes to that, or honestly every braid that I have, I'll just pick some pieces out and place those pieces on the other on my client's shoulder because it's very easy to grab that way. It's always super small pieces, never anything big, especially since these are small box braids, okay? But like I said, I like to lay pieces of hair on my client's shoulder. So if I'm on the left side, I'll lay the pieces on the right side of her shoulder. And if I'm on the right side, I'll lay the pieces on the left side. Okay, so that way I don't knock the hair off the shoulder while I'm trying to grab the hair. Also, another alternative is to put the hair on the arm of the chair. That way it's super easy access. Now, you can definitely put it on the braiding rack. However, I did notice like putting it on the braiding rack, it's just not easy for me. Like, I like to lay it right where I can grab it because I just feels like it's quicker and it's just way easier to do it that way. So, yeah, guys. So here I am just starting off. I'm just gripping a little bit, adding a piece of hair. That's one. Go to the right side. Go to the left side. Add another piece of hair. Two. Braid that in. Go to the right, go to the left. 3. Braid that in. Go to the right, go to the left. 4. Go to the right, go to the left. And I think that's where I'm going to stop. So I never too much count how many times I do add hair. I should, but I don't. I just look at how thick the braid is compared to the other braid, and if it's pretty similar, pretty close, I'll stop there. That's how I do it. If you need to, add pieces of hair, you can. But listen, no one's perfect, so let's just be honest. Every piece of hair that you separate to add the hair in, it's not going to all be the same. So when you count, I guess when you start counting pieces, if every braid you do, you're adding 4 or 5 pieces to it, but all your pieces are not the same size, especially if you're not used to braiding. Some are going to be small, some are going to be medium, some are going to be medium, some are going to be extra small. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I just like to just kind of grab hair and go off of that and just braid in a couple times to see how thick the braid is in comparison with the other braids that I've done. That is super easy to me. That's just the method I like to use. And honestly, y'all, I love braiding with like nails. Okay, so my nails are not long, they're short, but I like braiding with nails because some reason it just helps me grip it, and then it just helps me braid, y'all. Like, I used to hate braiding with nails. Like, I'm like, oh God, this is just too much. But then as I got older and I'm just doing, I guess the styles that are out now, they're like way easier to do with braids. I don't know, like, because we're not doing box braids with the knots. We're doing knotless box braids. So we have a little bit of slack room that we can do stitch braids. In order to do the stitch, you need either a nail or a comb. You know what I'm saying? So it's like all the braids, all the cornrows, basically I do are stitch cornrows. And all the braids that I do are basically knotless. So it works. It just works for me. And then when I do sew-ins and wig installs, it doesn't even matter when it comes to the nail length because, it just doesn't matter because I don't need a certain nail length to do that style. Yes, so I'm going to link the hair that I use in the description box below. However, I do not recommend water wave. But one thing I should have done, instead of dipping the ends in hot water, I should have just put mousse on the ends and detangled it really, really well. And put some oil on the ends. I do put oil on synthetic hair. To me, it gets it very manageable and soft. So, yeah, of course, I use the Shine and Jam. I moisturize her hair with a Softy moisturizer. And yeah, I think the style really turned out well. I kind of wanted to do smaller box braids. I think I always do like medium or large, but I wanted to just challenge myself and do small, long ones just to see, how long it's going to take. So that way, and just to kind of adjust my pricing, because if I haven't done the style before, the pricing is usually a little bit lower. Especially if I don't know how long it's going to take. But this style, like I said, in reality, it probably will take like 7.5, 8 hours if I didn't stop. But I do stop after like 3 or 4 hours of braiding hair because I need to just rest, okay? The bone's getting old, child. The bone's getting old, okay? So yeah, I think that's basically it. I'm gonna let y'all just listen to music and vibe out to the rest of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry that I've been gone for a few days. I've been super swamped with school because I'm graduating this year and I'm helping my family with their businesses and things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys are being patient with me. I love y'all so much. We are almost at 40K, baby. Almost halfway there to 100K. We hitting 100K this year, period. Okay, that's on period. So if y'all like this video, like the video, comment on the video, show me some love, okay? Share this video with your family and your friends, okay? And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.
You know that I wanna, when I look in your eyes, know you're gonna. In this moment I lose track of time, leaving all behind, just you and I. I'm scared of love, I'm scared of love. I've been hurt, babe. No one's ever made me feel scared of love. I'm scared of love, I'm scared of love. No one's ever made me feel scared of love. Now I know that you know that I wanna. When I look in your eyes, know you're gonna. In this moment I lose track of time, leaving all behind, just you and I. I'm scared of love, I'm scared of love. No one's ever made me feel scared of love. I'm scared of love, I'm scared of love. No one's ever made me feel scared of love.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel? Oh girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you get in a back rub and the night just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes to cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. Stay after you meditate. Tell me, sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real?
That's how you know you found real love. That's how you know you found love. That's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl, when you found love. Feel it in your gut.
Have you ever found some change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst?
Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell.
You got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong.
Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. Real men are so damn hard to find.
That's how I know, that's how I know I found real love. That's how I know, that's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot.
You better trust that feeling. It don't lie.
That's how I know.
Yeah. That's how you know.
You wouldn't have to do me like you did. You wouldn't have to play those silly games. Sometimes feelings don't stay the same. It's not too much to ask for and even exchange. Things change. 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 I know we haven't talked, I'm paranoid. Taking way too long now, I'm annoyed. I don't really care to make this work. I'm not being rude, it's just the truth. Things change. 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 A bittersweet memory, just like Whitney, I'm taking with me. A bittersweet memory, just like Whitney, I'm taking with me. Things change.